All right. So, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about scrapping. Convenient thing with these. Let me go ahead and put it together real quick. So, these become on AC units, right? There's another one. There's a little screw on top of this. And I'll show you guys what kind of AC unit these come out of. Yep, there's a little screw right there. Pop that screw off, and you got this. I did not know that inside of this is a pretty hefty little ball of copper. So that can go to a bucket of old copper here. You can see it's getting pretty full with motor wires and everything else. I'm not exactly sure how my scrapyard does angel hair, if they count it as number 1 or number 2, depending on its cleanliness. But to get this metal piece off, I just give it a crank and that little vise here. This little Irwin vise, 20 bucks. I use the crap out of it, it's amazing. Then it's just this hard plastic sealed coating. So breaking this, you take a hammer to it, take a vise to it. Once you start cracking it open, there you should be able to see some of it there. Nice, bright, shiny copper. I was completely unaware that this was in here. So I've done 25 of these HVAC units. They're replacing them in some buildings. I talked to the fellas and they didn't mind me taking them out of the trash can. Now they do have this green gluish gunk on them. I'm not really sure what that's about, but again, that might make it number 2. But it might be number 2 anyways, just because it's the angel hair stuff. Oh, see, that one's coming off all right. Then you just got the little bit that's in there. Can you see that? A little bit of plastic still in there. Just open it up. You should be able to pull it out. I'm kind of curious how much this weighs. Let me go grab, I think I got a little scale that does grams. I might be able to tell you how many grams it's worth. But, I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna go ahead and take you off the tripod here for a sec. There's quite a few of those. And that's the pile, 4 high, 4 deep. On the side, there's 6 more right there. And then those are the motors that are from inside of them. There's a couple of them I've already cut the pieces away from. That's gonna be a hefty amount of work. But yeah. Trump. The big old toolbox. There's a puppy dog. What do you say, Zeus? You say please? Can you say please? Tell me please. Say please. Say please. Oh, that's good boys. Can you say please? Good boy. Yeah, so that's a lot of work. There's also, these compressors have motors inside of them too. There's also, actually I can show you those right now. On the top of those compressors, just make sure you're facing the right way. You are. On the top of these compressors, there are these little guys here that the leads run into. Let's see if we can go ahead and open this one up. I saw this on another channel, I don't remember which one. But again, the device is my best friend. But you open it up, you're going to see a little disc. And this is compressors like that style I was just showing you. Well, what's convenient is that there's a little chunk of copper or silver. So there's two of them on here. You can see this one's pretty much burnt out, but yeah, that's a little chunk of silver. I did test that, so I was really curious. Here's one of them I took out and smashed up. Took the hammer to it to see what kind of metal it was, and you can see it's bright, shiny silver. So if that's something you're into and you like getting the silver, you can go ahead and get inside of those, which is right on top of the compressor. I can't show you that right now. I will make a video. Probably gonna do a time lapse of me tearing those 24 behind me apart. Should be a pretty good time. Let's see if we can. I don't know what they adhered this with. I don't know if it's spot welded. It kind of looks like it was spot welded. Let's see if we can get you in on that real close, like. Right under this piece here. Looks like it's spot welded. You see that? I don't know how well we're gonna be able to zoom it in. Ignore the beat up hands. It's what happens when you don't wear gloves when you're scrapping. But those, there we go. There. Nice little piece of silver. There's two of them on each one of them, so I imagine you'd have to do quite a few to make any kind of a profit off of that, because I think silver's like $20 an ounce right now. Yep, there's the other one. Another piece of silver. Oh, it's burnt and tarnished, but it will melt down and clean up nice. If that's something you're into and you like making those buttons, let me see if I've got this steel real quick here. Try to stick it the first thing possible to get to, huh? Yeah, that puppy, he's 5 months old. His name is Zeus. He's a good little buddy of ours. I don't know if we'll actually be able to weigh anything up on this. Nice flat surface. Can you guys see that? See if we can give you a little 2x. It's in grams right now. This might be too much weight for it to actually register. This is a gold scale, actually. Oh yeah, it overloaded quick, so it's over 20 grams. Which means it's over an ounce. It's a super sensitive scale. It's not made for this kind of stuff. I don't really have a scale yet. I'm going to take the zoom out. Bam. And then just for my own curiosity, I've got this little guy here. It's a 20 by lens. You can really see how dirty my hands are, can't you? This is literally just a random video of me goofing off. The old cuts and gouges. That finger really gets beat up, doesn't it? Let's see if we can get a better focus there. Oh yeah. Wow, that's wild, isn't it? So my wife got this for me so I could look at my gold a little bit better. Sorry. My tripod's not really a tripod. It's actually a tree stand phone hanger that you use obviously in a tree stand. If you want to capture your hunts using your phone, it's actually a pretty neat little thing. Yeah, that's a cool little box. Here I'm gonna end the video there and do some editing. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, so I'm literally just seeing if I'm able to make videos with my iPhone. So I guess if you see this, then you know it worked and I was able to. All right. Y'all have a good day now.